Alright, disassemble the bolt. Gun's clear. Just press the trigger to release the bolt. Once you got it, you want to decock it by turning it to the side, and then turn this right here, and that will come right off. The bolt head, or whatever you want to call it, and the guide will come right off. And then you need a piece of wood or something. You just want to stick it right down in and push, and this will spin right off. And slowly release up. And the firing pin will come out. Firing pin spring, firing pin, the bolt body. And that is how you disassemble the bolt for cleaning or whatever.